Hey, what's up guys, this is Amit here, back with another unboxing review video. So today in this video I got really something awesome to show you all. It's another new budget gaming headset from the brand EXA. So without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? A lot of my subscribers were asking me to make a video on a gaming headset in the price range of around 1500 to 2000, so here it is. But before we go ahead, let's quickly unbox this package and see what else do we get inside this box apart from these cool looking headsets. On the front of the box there is a pictorial representation of the product along with the model name, which is the EXA E800. On this side we have got right earmuffs with bold letter R marked on it. While on the back side it has got a lot of information on the product feature, which are explained in detail with the help of figures and the product related informations like manufacturer and importers. And yes, this is also a made in China product like every other gaming headset available online. And finally on this side they have mentioned the product technical specification along with the box contents. And now it's the time to unbox this package. Inside the box, of course, we get the headsets. Well, I'm gonna keep this aside for a while. Then we have this user manual, which is kind of FAQ in picture format. So do check this out if you ever faced any issues with the headset before claiming the warranty. Now we get three more things inside this zipper pouch. So let me take them out real quick. So the first thing is the gold plated 3.5 audio splitter jack, which is a nifty add-on for those old school PCs which do not come with the audio combo jack. So using this will allow you to use the headset speakers and the mic independently. Next thing up is a thank you note from the EXA and a feedback retrieval QR code, and following these steps will allow you to extend the warranty of the product up to 24 months. And finally here we have the user manual guide for the EXA E800. So that was it. These are the things which you get inside the box. Now let's take a physical overview of the product. So first thing first, let's talk about the build quality. In my opinion, the build quality of the headphone is extremely premium. In fact, it looks upright and expensive. It comes with a 2.1 meter long cable that also has an analog volume level controller attached on it, which is quite suitable for adjusting the sound level. The blue LED lights on the earmuffs and on the tip of the mic makes it look super cool, though these are static and does not change to any other color. But if you don't like the blue color, you can choose to yellow color variant, which is available for 100 rupees lesser than these. Again, it's a personal preference, so choose whichever suits you the better. I received these headset last month, and after using it for a few weeks, I can say these are the best gaming headphones I bought till date, because it does everything that good headset should do. It's remarkably comfortable to wear over long periods thanks to the extremely soft cushion and self-adjustable rotating earmuffs that fits for all head and ear shapes. The mic is equally good. I found the voice capture with the mic to be clear and with least noticeable ambient noise for a budget gaming headphone. I completely admire the minimalist design of the boom mic, which can be easily rolled up when not in use or extended and bent for finding the optimal distance to your mouth. While not necessarily groundbreaking, these are nice touches nonetheless. The most important feature, however, is the brilliant sound performance. The basic out-of-the-box stereo mix, which is baseline regardless of the connection type or console, it is excellent, with a snug balance and a punchy bass that enhances the gameplay and music. The cherry on the top is that the headset is extremely comfortable with a sturdy design, plush padding and an auto-fitting headband. Now talking about the comfort, it is absolutely perfect. After a week of extensive uses, I was filled with the comfort. It was a theater-like experience for me when I used it for watching movies on my phone. These headphones are incredibly light for the gaming. The cups and the headset are made up of protein leather with memory foam inside of it. Unlike other gaming headsets, these are ready to wear right out of the box because they are not stiff. Talking about the sound quality is excellent, particularly when used with a smartphone. Yes, you can directly connect these headsets to your smartphone using 3.5 jack itself. You get good instrument separation and crisp vocal, although the bass is bit soft. Nonetheless, the low end is well handled. I didn't experience any distortion even at the loudest volume level. However, it is not recommended to use it at full volume as it is super loud. On the whole, the sound is great for the price making it one of the most capable gaming headset in the 2000 rupees budget. The sound is great if you are playing games. May not be a great choice for listening music, but hey, it is made for gaming. Currently I am using it for playing games like PUBG, and believe me, you can listen to your enemy's footsteps very clearly. Now talking about the connections, the XIE800 is compatible with Xbox One, PS4, mobile, tablets, Mac and PCs. So basically it works with any console that has a headphone jack. The cord is long, about 6 feet, and is made up of rugged Kevlar. The remote inline is also light, and I didn't notice any pulling on my head at all. For the XIE800 headset, I tested mainly two systems, my smartphone that played PUBG and on my PC with Outlast. The sound on these headphones is phenomenal, and I noticed it right away when I started playing the Outlast. I could easily hear every zombie groan and every footstep of something chasing me in the game. It was something I didn't notice before in my other headset. Overall, this headset made this experience even better. Now talking about the mic quality, the microphone on the XIE800 is great considering it can be bent into whatever shape or direction you want. It ends up staying there. It's also very thin and I never noticed it getting in the way of my gaming session. The microphone is noise cancelling so people can hear you clearly. The controller has an on-off button along with the volume up and down scroll knob. So here's an audio test of the microphone to hear how it sounds. Now here's the audio sample of the XIE800 gaming headset microphone, and you guys can see it is not that loud but definitely worth it for at least Skype calls and gaming. And if I stay quiet for a moment, you will be able to hear how much ambient noise it can capture. So yeah, that might have roughly given you some idea. So how do you guys feel about the mic audio quality? Do comment down below and share your thoughts. Now let's talk about the overall performance. The package offers a precise surround sound even in the absence of the virtual surround 7.1 feature, which gives you a perception of directional awareness of everything that's around you. The headset does the job flawlessly. You can hear the footsteps in PUBG crystal clear. Decent microphone for voice communication and braided cable for aesthetics and prolonged life. It comes with a very long wire which makes it easy to use this headset from a distance. It has the volume and mic control panel on the wire itself, thus becomes very easy to change the settings while playing a game. The XIE800 gaming headset is an incredible option for someone who wants to be fully immersed in a game. The only downside here though is these are quite big in size for carrying around, as there won't be any chance left for you to complain about these headphones. I have tested these headphones in last couple of weeks based upon their audio performance, mic performance, wearability and connectivity and overall value for money. I'll give it a rating of 8.5 out of 10. So the question is, should you consider buying this headset? Well, the answer is straight. It's a big yes, as it provides great sound effects while playing games and makes the user completely involved in the games. And for this price point, you will be unable to find anything even close to the quality of this headset. I hope this video was useful and informative and you have made an informed choice in buying the best, affordable yet powerful gaming headphone in the market. Well, if you have any suggestion for the video, leave them in the comments. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys find this video informative, and if you did, hit the like button, share this video with like-minded people, and please support us by subscribing to our channel. You guys can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for every new updates, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. This is Amit signing off, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.